Unspoken word, which I have hidden all in my heart. And that's the sad truth. This reality is just a dream, and hope I soon wake up, 'cause I can't bear this pain anymore. Oh, 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 oh. Every day fighting with all fasting, I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. My mind is dry to something more work. With all this I can't even make a step ahead. Feel like all the people seem to be a hater. Feel like nobody cares about my future. Feel like everybody looking at my perfect. Feel like I really deserve a better place. Feels like you wish you for the best and hate it when it make it feels like everyone is saying not the scars on my wrist. Feels like I'm living life with a beautiful life, but feel like we'll just go on like this, yeah. It seems that the harder I try, the harder I fall. It hurts but it's okay 'cause I'm used to it, yeah. I just wanna walk in my own lane, live in reality. For all these years I never regret a thing, 'cause it's my choice, my destination. Feel like I don't want the world to see me, yeah. I fear that they won't understand, yeah. Getting all things in this world, yeah, this world, yeah. Unspoken word, which I have hidden all in my heart. And that's the sad truth. This reality is just a dream, and hope I soon wake up, 'cause I can't bear this pain anymore. Oh, 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 oh. My whole life was a lie, I was living in the wrong place. People mock me every day, deep down I ain't give a shit, 'cause I'm living in my own world. Forget the past, live in the present, for the future will give you the answer. Embody to another reality. I just want my soul to get some peace, but they ain't gonna work out, I'll never think love will be so bitter. With all these things trying to swallow me, I woke up every day thinking this will be my day, but it ain't gonna come, that was just my imagination. Whoa, the bitter truth keeps hurting me. Isn't it hard to keep pretending to be happy and alive when you are dying on the inside? I wish I could end up all this, 'cause I can't